is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this.
Well, we made it. This is Pamukkale in Turkey, and it literally translates to cotton castle, and I can see why. I mean, all of this mineral deposit looks exactly like cotton growing on a plant. You know, I almost want to call it cloud castle because I feel like I'm up in heaven here. But we just got here, so we're gonna go check it out, and we're gonna bring you with us, of course. Let's go. There's 2 major sites that you can see here at Pamukkale. One is the travertines, the thermal travertines with the white minerals, just absolutely beautiful landscape. But it was such a beautiful landscape that the Romans actually built 2 cities near it. So the second attraction is the ruined city of Hierapolis, and behind me you can even see some of the leftover walls from the city, but it's huge. It's about 4 kilometers long. There's a museum, there's Cleopatra's bath, there's the ancient amphitheater, which I am really excited to see. So let's go check it out. This is the backside of the travertines here. They're actually all dried out. But if you look across the way, you can actually see the ruins of the city that we're gonna head over to now, which is Hierapolis. So let's go check it out. Ta-da! Here it is, Hierapolis Grand Amphitheater.
Why'd you leave it on the line when you want it? Why'd you break it all the time when you feel it? Why'd you leave it on the line when you want it? Why'd you break it all the time? Break it all the time. 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 Break it all the
We made it. We made it to Pamukkale, which literally translates to Cloud Castle.
Cotton.
In the world, top. Okay. City of Hierapolis. Fuck. Hierapolis. Actions here. Now I'm forgetting the name of this place. One in a kind. City of fuck. City of fuck.